Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to remove location from Instagram post. So if you already posted a post on your Instagram page and you added the location, but now you want to remove the location, then here's a video for you. So in this video, basically, you learn how to easily remove location from your Instagram post. So if you don't know this, you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to this, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your phone. So this could be on Android, could be on iPhone. Then click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then this is going to take you to your Instagram profile page. On the profile page, locate the story you added the location to. You can see I added the location to this particular story. To remove the location on the story, all I just need to do is click on the three dot at the top right. Then I want to scroll down, click on edit. Then once you click on the edit button, you should see location on the page. Then go ahead and delete that. Then once you delete that, go ahead and click on the done button at the top right. Then this is going to save this post on your page without the location. So if you come back, reopen the page or close the Instagram page, go ahead and open it again. Then check the post and you should see the post location removed. You see that? So that is basically how to remove location from Instagram post. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.